What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up the video. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Today I'm making a Memorial Day, 4th of July wreath. So I'm going to go over what I have. First, what I need you to do in the comment section to say, hey T. So I have garland, zip ties, scissors, a star wire wreath. Okay. I have some decor here, some stars. I have a bow. All right. So this is obviously a glueless project. It's going to be very quick. So we're going to pop the tag off of our store. If you enjoy the content, go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel. And also click the bell so you're notified each and every time I do post a video. I hope your day is going well. Mine is going well. All right. So this is the garland I chose. My location had a lot of different ones, but I like this one the best. So that's what I got. And we're just going to start by wrapping the garland around the same spot. When you come to the end, just sit it there. Get you a zip tie. And pull it. Just like that. Okay. Now go ahead and cut that zip tie as low as you can. And we're just going to continue wrapping our garland around.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are.
I'm just going to go ahead and get my zip tie and connect it to my point. Just like that. Cut that little piece. Turn it up or turn it around. And there's my hook to hang up my wreath. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cover this other side.
Ain't nothing wrong with 1, 2, man.
Ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you.
Man,
I'm ready
this
to do what I
dude
do.
making
This type shit have you wildin'. That's when it pips to the island. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Dip, 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 make it riding. Don't hesitate when you get it cause you want. Let it get it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it, bite it, bite it, bite it. Like it when you bite it, bite it.
What do you guys do for Memorial Day weekend, Memorial Day, 4th of July? Do y'all cook out, hang with family, friends? Like, what do you do? What is it that you do? Comment down below. So here's how it's looking so far. Cute. Okay. I like together with my family and we cook out. We have a good time. We enjoy each other's company. You know, like fireworks and stuff like that. So that's what the plan is. I don't know if I'm posting anything, but I don't know. We'll see. We're like kind of like last minute people. So, you know, do y'all light up the grill for these holidays or what? All right. So here's our bow. And I got this bow to match the decor piece because I thought it would look really pretty. They also had, you know, a bow that was like the American flag, like this store down here. And I thought it was cute, but I like this one. So now this is the part where I need to see where I want my bow to go. So I think that's cute. You can kind of really put it anywhere you want. I think this is cute, but let me see if I can put it down some more. It's cute, but I don't know, kind of like takes away from the store a little bit, in my opinion. You can even put your bow like wherever you want, honestly. But I think I do like it smacked it in the middle. I don't know. What y'all think? Where would you put your bow? Comment down below. Where would you put your bow? Yeah, I think I'm gonna just put it at the top right here. Yeah, let's just put it at the top right here. Okay, but I'm not gonna cover the point of the store because I still want that to show. So what I'm gonna do is get me a zip tie, go through this loop here. And then I'm going to zip tie it to my store. Here's our very cute, easy, simple, budget-friendly, seasonal DIY, Dollar Tree DIY wreath. Okay, cute. Period. Go ahead and give this video a fat thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe, click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Share the video and don't skip them ads, honey. Follow me on all my social media platforms and I'll see you on the next video. I am out. Peace. Bite it, like it when you don't hesitate when you bite it. Get it cause you want, let it get it. Making up a date for you bite it. This type shit have you. Drip, 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 drip. Just when it gets to the island.